So this is related to the vision that I had about the new earth. So I feel that new earth is not going to be something like the end of the earth and the new earth will be created. It's not going to be like that. Okay, new earth is more likely the vibration. The vibration of this earth is getting aligned to a highest frequencies. Okay, I do see in coming days that lot of natural calamities happening and governments trying to control people, governments trying to control people and trying to influence and force people to be under their control because of their greediness and because of heavy politics. Okay, I do see a lot of people dying because of this. I do see a huge divine intervention that is going to be happening. It's more likely in Western countries, not in India, because in India, I feel the government is not trying to control that much, but in other countries, they are using this coronavirus as the power and trying to control and manipulate the people. Okay, so as a result of this, there will be a lot of natural calamities happening. There will be a lot of natural calamities happening, and I do see what I seen is like the earth's vibration is getting aligned to highest frequencies. Okay, when the energy is changing, there will be lot of things that is coming down, and few governments need to understand that they are not god, and they are not the ones who control people. Okay, what I see is also like some people are trying to influence people in a wrong manner, and so that they can get rid of the old population. Okay, so what I see is like these governments should stop doing this, otherwise it's going to be a heavy loss for the universe. It's like earth will be in a healing process in the coming days. I did see big uh, a big hell that was not there in my dream, meaning that there will be a lot of earthquakes, there will be a lot of landslides, and I also see there will be a lot of waters. Okay, like in coming new days, it's like it's going to be a lot of like natural calamities, like uneven rains. I don't. I didn't see tsunami though, but I feel it's more likely uneven rains and something related to water that is going to be happening. Okay, it's like all the countries will be under these effects, and it's like you guys are uh, called on to be closer to God. And if you guys have done any mistakes in the past, apologize to God, and this is the time that you guys need to change, because the upcoming days will be very difficult for the people who are bad throughout their life. Okay, so if you guys are not changing at this particular time, then know that the end is near. Okay, the end is near. And I also want to say to people that if you guys know there is a lot of natural calamities that is going to happen, it's like I also want you guys to have some stock of food packets, like rice, wheat, and all these things. For Indians, it's not a problem because we are used to store our food grains. Okay, but for Westerners, I'm telling, it's like you guys need to store little bit food, because in coming days it's going to be very difficult for the people out there. Okay, because of the greedy people, normal people are suffering, and that's why it's going to be it's a payback time for the human beings, for whatever they have done to animal kinds and other creatures on this earth. Okay, and yes, the Leela has begun. So from now onwards, the universe is going to show its highest power for all of those who have been bad throughout their life. I also see even the good people suffering. Okay, Good people suffer because, not because they are good. It is usually because when the universe gets angry, it's both good and bad, both suffers. Okay, that is what I'm saying. So this is about the new earth and aligning us to highest frequencies. So please keep in a mind. um, all of you stay in touch. Thank you too. Thank you all. Bye.